Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can hide your last scene on a Snapchat. And to do that, you're going to select your profile emoji here. Then you are going to go to the settings tab. I just scrolled down to hide my personal information, but you're going to keep scrolling down until you go to privacy controls. So there's going to be a see my location, and you're going to enter ghost mode, and then you're going to select the time, or you can select until turned off. I'm going to go back to settings, and I'm going to scroll down until I find activity indicator. I don't know why I said that weird, but you're just going to disable that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!